I've just got to my park up where I'm staying for the night. Had a pretty stressful day because my van's been in the garage. I've been without it all day, so yeah, it's been a bit stressful. But anyway, we got there. I've got everything done. I had some orders that I had to get packaged up and ship out today. Now I'm back in the van. I thought I'd give you a little van tour. I haven't tidied up at all. It's a mess, but I just wanted to give you the real world, what it's like. Well, for me anyway, living in my van that I'm in the middle of converting. So I'll give you a little tour. Hope you enjoy it. If you do, hit the like button, and even better, subscribe to my channel. Let's give you a little bit of a tour on the van. There's Rupert. And in we go into the van. Rupert, get on your place, mate. So, this is it. This is where we're living at the moment. It's organised chaos, as you can see. This is work in progress. We're still converting the van. Everything's temporary at the moment. But as you can see, I put that coat rack up yesterday to hang my jackets up and my hoodies and whatever. I've still got, it's all been insulated. I've still got some panelling to do up there, but I'm going to hide some electric wires behind there when I get round to it. I put that up yesterday. That's got me, it's just a little utilities thing. Got my toothbrush and toothpaste, and as you can see, my forks and spoons and what have you. All this lot at the back I haven't started on yet, apart from ripping out the electrics. These cables that you can see here were from there's a work light up the top and some beacons, those orange flashing beacons, which I've disconnected. I don't need them. That's just to cover up part of the back to make it look a little bit better. And there you go, there's Rupert's bed down there. And there's my bed there with a bag of washing on it that needs doing. There's my bed. What we got up here? More panelling that needs doing. My blue tissue roll, which I use for me washing up and cleaning and whatever. Some clamps, my rubbish bag. A couple of cloths there drying out. If you're an electrician, don't cringe. But there's my fuse box. The only thing that's working at the moment is that light switch there. That's as far as I've got. It's all temporary. The wires are up there, as you can see. There's the light. Bit of storage up there. This blue thing here is the cover that comes down to separate the cab from the back. I've got my fold-up table. My chair's there to stop Rupert jumping out, because there's a lot of ducks around here and he'll chase them if I let him. I've got my little, well, it's not really a fridge, it's a cooler. Runs off the 12-volt charger socket. As I say, my jackets, my washing up down there, and my kettle that I've got to do. I've got some cupboards in here. They're all behind there. My little cooker that I'm just about to cook my dinner on. And there we go. So that is about it. That's where we are at the moment. My bed is just sitting on 3 toolboxes. It's not even built in. And there's my view for tonight. As I've said to you before in some of my previous videos, the reason I've done this YouTube channel is really for me to document my progress, not only on YouTube, but in the van and everything, because, as you know, I'm in the middle of converting it. So this is not, you know, I'm not looking for sympathy. I don't want anyone to feel sorry for me. I'm absolutely loving my life. I just wish there were more hours in the day, or I could afford to pay people to do things for me, but I can't. I've got to do it all myself. I'm running my business, I'm converting my van. Yeah, it is what it is. This is the real situation. So but I just thought I'd share it with you. I did the video the other day of my business unit, which is an absolute mess. I was hoping to get in there today and get it sorted out. I was in there for quite a while today, but I had quite a lot of orders to pack, which I did. And to be honest, I was so tired, I just couldn't get my mind into gear. I had a bit of overwhelmed feeling, couldn't get my mind into gear to actually start sorting out my business unit. But that will come, and I'll give you the progress on that, as I will the progress on the van. Next thing I've got to do really is sort the bed out. I need to build a proper bed and get that fixed in. Rupert likes sleeping with me. He always has done since I've had him. I've spoilt him rotten, and that's a bit of a problem at the moment, because this bed that I've got at the moment is only about 2'6" wide, and for me to sleep on it with Rupert is a bit of a challenge, I can assure you. As far as the YouTube channel goes, I've got about 7 people that have subscribed to me, and on average I think about 20 people have watched the videos, so I'm quite pleased with that. It's not bad. I'm not a millionaire yet. I'm definitely not earning 30k a month on it, but I've no doubt it will come. Anyway, I've just looked at myself in the video camera and I need a shave. So I'm going to cook myself some dinner. Well, first I'm going to have a shave, then I'm going to cook myself some dinner, and I'm going to settle down for the evening. Wherever you are in the world, whatever time it is, I hope you're having a great day, and take care. Till the next time.